Good morning, children. In this class, we are going to talk about different books and their related authors and different book awards we are going to find out. So, this is your page 69. First question is, for which book did Paul Beatty win the Man Booker's Prize in year 2016? You have to remember that in year 2016, Paul Beatty won an award, the Man Booker's Prize. This is the award that is given for some extraordinary writers, and the name of the book is The Sellout. Okay, for the Sellout, Paul Beatty won the Man Booker's Prize in the year 2016. Next is, who is the author of the famous series featuring Robert Langdon, the fourth of which is a mystery thriller, which is Inferno. So this is basically a series which has many parts, and the fourth one is called Inferno, and this is featuring Robert Langdon, and this is the series that is written by Dan Brown. So the author is Dan Brown. Next one is, in which novel by Jane Austen is Annie Elliot the heroine? So the novel which is written by Jane Austen and Annie Elliot has acted as heroine. The name of this novel is Persuasion. Persuasion is the name of the novel. Next one is, in which book does a beautiful young man become the subject of a portrait by a painter called Basil Hallward? So the book's name is The Picture of Dorian Gray, where a beautiful young man becomes the subject of a portrait, and this is by a painter whose name is Basil Hallward. So, next one is, which novel revolved around the life of US Army official John Yozarian? So, this book is about John Yozarian, who is US Army Air Force official, and the name of this book is Catch 22. Next one comes, who is the author of the novel Midnight's Children? This is very famous book, Midnight's Children. This also won Booker Prize in the year 1981, and this is one of the famous books of Salman Rushdie. Salman Rushdie is an author who basically belongs to India. He was actually born in Bombay in India, but later on he got citizenship of America as well as one or two other nations. So basically he was an Indian writer, Salman Rushdie. Next, seventh one is, what is the London address of Sherlock Holmes? Sherlock Holmes, you must have read about him and his novels, his related books. So his London's address is 22 1B Baker Street. Next one comes, which fictional character is the narrator of Herman Melville's Moby Dick? So Moby Dick is the name of his book, and the fictional character of Herman Melville is Ishmael. Ishmael is the name given to the fictional character over here. Next one we have ninth one, which detective series by Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay involves the adventures of a Bengali detective who preferred being called Satyanuveshi? So this is Byomkesh Bakshi. Okay, so Byomkesh Bakshi is the detective series by Sharadindu Bandyopadhyay, which involves the adventures of a Bengali detective who loved being called Satyanuveshi. Fine. So this is basically a detective series, Byomkesh Bakshi. Next one we have, who wrote the book The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde? This is the book who wrote, this is the author R.L. Stevenson wrote this book, The Strange Case of it. This is about some case involved with Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. So he has written, R.L. Stevenson has written this book. Next we have a few fill in the blanks, and we have to choose the correct answer for them. Dash holds the Guinness World Record for the fastest selling book of fiction in 24 hours. So this actually happened. I don't know whether you have watched Harry Potter or not. Harry Potter is one of the fastest selling books, and it was one of the famous. It was overnight that they became star. So Harry Potter, this book got the Guinness World of Record because within 24 hours, all the editions were sold. All the editions of Harry Potter was sold, and this book is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. Next, we have which famous author coined the term cyberspace? So, the cyberspace term has been coined by William Gibson. So, he is basically a famous author, and cyberspace actually, this is an IT term which is related to the um, which is related to imaginary space that is being created. Okay, so cyberspace. Next, we have the word Yahoo comes from Jonathan Swift novel Gulliver's Travel, published in 1726. On based of this novel, many of movies have come. So the name of the novel is Gulliver's Travel, and many of the movies have also been made for that. And this word Yahoo has come from his book, and the author of Gulliver's Travel is Jonathan Swift. This was Gulliver's Travel was published in the year 1726, and it is famous till now. Next one we have name the folk tales collection whose famous characters include Ali Baba, Sindbad and Aladdin. You must have seen the Arabian Nights or its series. We have many serials on basis of that also. Ali Baba, Aladdin and Chor and all those things. In Hindi also we have. So this is basically a collection of some tales, okay, related to some areas, and they have some famous characters. The way you watch cartoons, the famous characters include Ali Baba, Sindbad and Aladdin, and the all the tales all together are in this book, The Arabian Nights. Next, we have 2.5 million unsold copies of Mills and Boon novels were pulped to bind the asphalt with the tarmac. This material was used in making a 16-kilometer stretch of the M6 toll road in the UK. So basically, this is the novel Mills and Boons, of which many millions of copies were unsold. And because of the unsold copies, the pulp of these novels, that means while remaking it, the pulp was again used to bind the asphalt with the tarmac, and this material was basically used in making a 16-kilometer road. The name of that road is M6 toll road, which is in UK. So this is the book's name is Mills and Boon. So this is all. Just go through all the correct answers and fill them up, and make sure that you learn all the authors as well as the corresponding books, along with what prizes they won. For example, on this page we have basically these two prizes: Man Booker's Prize and the Booker's Prize. Salman Rushdie has won for Midnight's Children in 1981, and Paul Beatty won it for The Sellout in the year 2016. So this was all related to the Bookland. We'll meet in next class.